Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is M.Diva. I am from Group 1. So today I wanna present about the PPT from meeting 6. Okay. The presents about vocabulary, video, and chapter. So the first is vocabulary. First, angle or sudut in Indonesian. Angles is the space between the two lines or surface measured in degrees and ends with the same endpoint. Example, the value of angles O is 40, 43 degrees. Okay, next is prot protract, protractor or busur derajat in Indonesian, and an instrument for measuring and drawing angles, usually made from a half circle of the clear plastic with degrees 0 to 180 marked on it. Next is length or panjang in Indonesia. The size of measurement of something from one end to the other end. Length is typically used to describe how long something is. Next, width. Width is a measurement that states how wide something is. Width usually refers to a shorter measurement when length is the longest one. Okay, next. Next is distance or jarak in Indonesian. Distance is a measurement that shows how far the position between an object from another object is. The distance can never be negative. Next is percent or percent in Indonesian, a symbol that used to express fraction of 100. Example 49% and 87%. Okay, next is percentage. Percentage or persentase in Indonesia. A percentage is a value of something in hundreds. Per- per- Percentage can also be set to show a number as part of a wall where the wall is written as 100. Example 1% of people willing to vote in a election is only 40%. Interest rates have risen by 2 percentage points. Okay, next is H or tinggi in Indonesia. H is a measurement of how tall a person or thing is. H also can be set as the distance from the top to the bottom of something. Okay, next is base or basis atau alas. In Indonesia, generally base is the bottom part of an object on which it rests, or the lowest part of something. In geometry, base is the side on which a polygon rests on, but the top is called but the top is also called a base when it is parallel to the bottom. Okay, next is side or something atau sisi in Indonesia. One of the line segment that make a flat two-dimension shape, or one the face that make a solid three three-dimension object. Okay, the next is video. Okay, next is the video. The question is, today Sal went to the fruit shop and it turned out they have a 30 guava sale all just for today. Sal buys 6 guavas and gets $12.60 off. Then When Sal came home, his wife told Sal to buy two more guavas the next day. And the next day, when Sal went to the fruit shop, there was no more 30% guava sale. How much did Sal pay to buy two more guavas? Okay, let's say that X is cost of 6 guavas at full price, and then 30 is 1.0. So X minus 1 point, sorry. So X minus 0.3 X equals to $12 and 60 cents. So it will be 0.7 X equals to $12 and 60 cents. So it will be X is X equals to $18. So cost of 6 guava at full price is $18. Price 1 guavas is $18 per 6 is $3. So 2 guavas at full price is 2 times $3 is $6. Okay. Okay, next is the example 2. An advertisement for toothpaste claimed that 4 out of 5 dentists recommended a certain brand. A customer group wanted to check the accuracy of the claim and survey 180 dentists. How many dentists would they expect to not recommend this brand if the advertisement claim accurate? Okay, the solution is using algebraic approach. Let's say X is the number of groups, so number of tests who recommended is 4x, and number of tests who do not recommend it is X. Uh, so it will be 4x plus X equals to 180. So it will be 5x equals to 180. X will be 8, sorry, X will be 36. There would be 36 dentists who do not recommend the brand. Okay. Okay, next is example 4. The question is, this is Chris' older cousin. The ratio of their age is 9 to 5. In 5 years, Chris' age will be 4 more than half of Jason's age. How old are they? Are the boys now? The solution is, let's x is the multiple. So Chris' current age is 5x and Jason's current age is 9x. The model is Chris' age plus 5 equals to a half Jason h plus 5 plus 4. Okay, 5. So it will be 5x equals to 9 per 2x plus 13 per 2 minus 10 per 2. So it will be 5x equals to 9 per 2x plus 3 per 2. So it will be now 5x minus 9 per 2x equals to 9 per 2x minus 9 per 2x plus 3 per 2. So it will be a half x equals to 3 per 2. So x will be uh, x equals to 3, sorry. Okay, because x equals to 3, so Chris h is 5 5 5 times 5 multiple 3 equals to 15, and Jason H is 9 multiple 3 is 27. Okay, next is next is example 6. The question is, Carol's candy stand sells a proper mixture of two of her candies which for $2 and $70 per pound. 70 cents per pound, sorry, and $1 and 95 cents per pound. The ratio of the expensive candy to the cheaper candy in the mixture is 3 to 5. If Carol sold her entire supply of mixed candy during the coming month, she would have revenue of $928.20, which would be the same as if she sold candy separately. How many pounds of candy does she have in supply, and at what price does she sell it for? Okay, the solution is, because we know the total value is $928 and 27 20 cents, sorry. Cheaper candy is $1.95 per pounds, and expensive candy is $2.70 per pounds. The expensive candy, the ratio of expensive candy and cheaper candy is 5 to sorry 3 to 5. Okay, now let's x is the multiple. Now of the pounds of expensive candy is 3x, number of pounds of cheaper candy is 5x, total number of pounds sold is 8x. Okay, the model is number of pounds of expensive candy times $2 and 70 cents plus number of pounds of cheaper candy times $1.95 equals to $928.20. Okay, so x times 2.70 plus 5x point times 1.95 equals to 928.20. So it will be x point one 8.1x plus 9.75x equals to 928.20. So it will be x equals to 52. So number of pounds sold is, because number of pounds sold is 8x, so it will be 8 times 52 is 416 pounds. So it will be sell for venue per total number of pounds sold, because the venue is $928 and $20 per for, sorry 416, so it will be $2.23 per pounds. So she have 416 pounds candy in supply, and price does she sell it for $2.23 per pounds. Okay, next is the example 7. The question is, among the ingredients in a recipe for a sweet dessert are 2.5 cup of regular sugar and a quarter cup of brown sugar. The direction indicate that this will serve 8 people. If there will be 12 people to serve, how much of type, eh, how much of each type of sugar will be needed? So the solution is, let's say X is the amount of regular sugar for 12 people and Y the amount of brown sugar for 12 people. So it will be two and half per egg equals to X per 12. It will be uh, 30 equals to 8x. X will be 30 per egg. So next is Y. A quarter per x equals to y per 12. So it will be 3 equals to 8y. So y is 3 per 8. So the amount regular sugar for 12 people is 30 per 8 cup, and the amount of green sugar for 12 people is 3 per 8 cup. So that's all. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.